Beneath the surface of the Scugog River, a remarkable moment is unfolding. These are Logperch, native darter fish, engaged in their spring spawning ritual. Males and females move deliberately over the gravel, a behavior that signals a healthy aquatic habitat. Their presence here is encouraging. Logperch are sensitive to environmental changes and competition, making them a strong indicator that native fish populations are still holding on. This is especially significant in a time when invasive round gobies are spreading rapidly, competing with native species for food and spawning grounds. The fact that these logperch are still spawning successfully suggests they have not yet been fully displaced. It's a rare glimpse of resilience and a reminder of the biodiversity that still exists in our rivers and lakes. With continued awareness, we can help protect this balance and ensure that native species like the logperch continue to thrive in the Kawartha Lakes and beyond.